in the mountains of West Java, Indonesia, lies the village of Cikahuripan. This is a place of stunning natural beauty. Waterfalls cascade down lush green hillsides. The air is fresh and clean. The people of Cikahuripan live in harmony with nature. They understand the importance of protecting their environment. Life in Cikahuripan is peaceful. The villagers are warm and welcoming. They are proud of their traditions. They are also resilient. Cikahuripan sits in a region prone to natural disasters. Landslides and floods are a constant threat. But the people of Cikahuripan have a unique way of facing these challenges. They use their voices. Engko is a traditional Sundanese art form. It is a unique blend of music, poetry, and storytelling. Engko is more than just entertainment. It plays a vital role in the life of the Cikahuripan community. It is a way to pass on knowledge from one generation to the next. Engko songs are about many things. They tell stories of love, loss, and hope. They celebrate the beauty of nature, and they also carry important messages about safety and disaster preparedness. This is what makes Engko so special. It is a living tradition that helps to protect the community. The origins of Engko are lost in time. It has been passed down orally for generations. What we do know is that Engko has always been more than just music. It has always been a tool for survival. The mountainous terrain of Cikahuripan makes it vulnerable to landslides. Flooding is also a constant threat during the rainy season. Engko songs often include warnings about these dangers. They teach people how to recognize the signs of an impending disaster. They also provide instructions on what to do in case of an emergency. This knowledge, passed down through generations, has saved countless lives in Cikahuripan. Section 4. Engko in Action. An Engko performance is a lively and engaging event, full of energy and cultural significance. It is a vibrant display of tradition that brings the community together. It is a community affair where everyone, from the youngest children to the eldest members, comes together to celebrate their heritage. Everyone gathers together to participate, creating a sense of unity and shared purpose. The music is simple but powerful, resonating deeply with the audience. It is a crucial element of the performance. It is usually performed with traditional instruments. These include drums, which provide a steady and rhythmic beat, flutes, which add a melodic layer, and gongs, which punctuate the music with their resonant tones. The lead singer, known as the Juru Ilo, guides the performance with their powerful voice and presence. The Juru Ilo sings the verses of the song, often telling stories or conveying important messages. The chorus repeats important lines, creating a call and response dynamic that engages the audience. This repetition helps to reinforce the message of the song, making it more memorable and impactful. The audience is not passive. They are an integral part of the performance, responding to the music and the Juru Ilo. They clap along to the rhythm, adding to the energy and excitement of the event. They sing along with the chorus, their voices blending together in harmony. They become part of the performance, dancing and moving to the music, creating a dynamic and interactive experience. This active participation helps to ensure that the message of the song is heard and understood, fostering a deep connection between the performers and the audience. Section 5. The Ties That Bind. In the heart of Cikahuripan village, the essence of community is deeply rooted in tradition and shared experiences. Engko is more than just music and storytelling. It is a living tradition that has been passed down through generations, a cultural treasure that embodies the spirit of the village. It is a powerful force that binds the community together. Through Engko, the villagers share their history, their joys, and their sorrows, creating a tapestry of collective memory. It creates a sense of shared identity. Each performance is a reminder of who they are and where they come from, fostering a deep connection among the villagers. It reminds everyone that they are part of something larger than themselves. The sense of belonging is palpable as they work together on community projects and celebrate their achievements. This is especially important in times of crisis. When natural disasters strike, the strength of their bonds is tested, and they rise to the occasion with unwavering support for one another. When disaster strikes, the people of Cikahuripan know that they can rely on each other. Their resilience is a testament to their unity and preparedness. They have been preparing for this moment for generations. The wisdom of the elders is passed down, ensuring that the younger generations are ready to face any challenge. They know how to work together. Whether it's farming, building, or organizing events, collaboration is at the heart of everything they do. They know how to support each other. The bonds of friendship and kinship are strong, providing a network of support that is crucial for their well-being. This sense of unity and shared purpose is one of the reasons why Cikahuripan has been able to withstand so many challenges. It is their collective strength and unwavering spirit that keep the village thriving no matter what obstacles they face. Section 6. Keeping the past alive. In a world that is constantly changing, it is more important than ever to preserve traditions like Engko. These traditions are the threads that connect us to our ancestors, weaving a rich tapestry of history and culture that defines who we are. Younger generations are beginning to learn and appreciate Engko. They are not just learning the notes and rhythms, but also the stories and values embedded in the music. This knowledge is passed down from elders who have dedicated their lives to keeping these traditions alive. They are realizing the importance of their cultural heritage. By donning traditional attire and participating in community gatherings, they are embracing their identity and fostering a sense of pride and belonging. They are taking steps to ensure that Engko continues to thrive. Through regular practice and performances, they are not only honing their skills, but also inspiring others to join in and keep the tradition alive. The future of Engko is bright. With vibrant cultural festivals and enthusiastic participation from the community, there is a renewed sense of optimism and hope for the preservation of this beautiful tradition. The people of Cikahuripan are determined to keep this tradition alive. They work together, supporting each other in their efforts to maintain and celebrate their cultural heritage. They know that Engko is not just about the past. It is a living tradition that continues to evolve and adapt, reflecting the dynamic nature of their community. It is about the present and the future. By involving present and future generations, they ensure that the tradition remains relevant and meaningful. It is about protecting their community. The tradition of Engko serves as a unifying force, bringing people together and strengthening their bonds. It is about preserving their way of life. The customs and practices associated with Engko are integral to the identity and lifestyle of the villagers. As long as the sounds of Engko continue to echo through the mountains of West Java, the people of Cikahuripan will be prepared to face whatever challenges lie ahead. Their commitment to preserving this tradition ensures that their cultural heritage will endure for generations to come.